Key factors in deciding how to produce a product: choice of production method. The production method chosen depends on factors such as demand, cost efficiency, and the nature of the product. Businesses can choose from different production approaches, including mass production, used for large-scale manufacturing of standardized products with high efficiency and automation; batch production, suitable for producing goods in specific quantities before switching to a different batch of products; job production, customized, made-to-order production focusing on unique or specialized items; selection of raw materials. The choice of raw materials affects the quality, cost, and sustainability of production. Businesses must decide whether to use natural, synthetic, or recycled materials based on factors such as availability, environmental impact, and production needs. Technology and automation. Advancements in technology play a crucial role in determining how products are made. The use of automated machinery, robotics, and artificial intelligence can improve precision and reduce labor costs. While traditional manual production may be more suitable for handcrafted or artisanal products, labor and workforce. The decision about how to produce a product also involves determining the level of human labor versus automation. Some industries rely heavily on skilled workers, while others emphasize machinery to enhance efficiency and consistency. Cost and efficiency considerations. Businesses must analyze the cost-effectiveness of different production methods. This includes evaluating expenses related to labor, raw materials, machinery, energy consumption, and transportation. Choosing a more efficient production process can lead to cost savings and higher profit margins. Environmental and sustainability concerns. Modern businesses consider sustainable production methods that minimize waste, reduce carbon footprints, and use eco-friendly materials. Green manufacturing practices not only help the environment, but also improve a company's reputation and compliance with regulations. Location and supply chain. The geographical location of production facilities affects transportation costs, access to raw materials, and availability of skilled labor. Companies must also consider supply chain logistics to ensure a smooth flow of materials and finished products. Quality control and standards. Deciding how to produce a product involves implementing quality control measures to ensure consistency, safety, and compliance with industry standards. This includes testing products, inspecting materials, and maintaining strict production guidelines.